Hi, I'm April from Piano Lessons Info, here to answer this question today. So I know this can be a bit confusing for some people, so let me give you a quick 1 or 2 minute explanation on how piano chords work. So on the piano, we have lots of notes, and a piano chord is a symbol that refers to some specific notes on the piano. So for example, if you see C, it refers to C, E, G. So we have lots of notes, we have lots of C's, lots of E's, lots of G's. So we can just pick some and play C, E, G, or C, E, G, or C, E, G, C, E, G, and that is the C chord. So how you kind of play it is lots of times you have a chord and someone will play a melody or sing a melody, and you play those notes from that chord until you get to the next chord, which might be G, which means you play the G, B, and D notes, and you play those. When you see other symbols like sevens or small m's, it refers to a specific type of chord. So you change what you're playing, or you know the notes of the chord dependent on that symbol. So you can play chords solid like I just did all at once, or you can play them separated all at different times. So all of those are chords. So that is how chords work. And if you are a singer, you can sing along, you can play with a guitarist, all sorts of things. You can make up your own melody, you can write a song, and they form the basis of your harmony and your music. See you next time.